Welcome to ZU Library and Learning Commons. My name is Reem, and in this video I will introduce you to the automated self-service check machine that will allow you to borrow, return, and renew items easily and quickly. The self-service check machines are available in both Abu Dhabi and Dubai campuses. In Abu Dhabi campus, the first machine is located on the second floor near the reference desk. The second machine is located in the first floor female side. In Dubai campus, the first check machine is located in the general collection area opposite reference desk. The second one is located in the learning commons area next to the information desk. Let's get started. I will show you how to borrow books. Step 1. On the self-check machine under the loan screen, tap on OK. Step 2. Scan your ZU ID on the barcode scanner. Make sure the barcode is under the red line, and you will hear a beeping sound. Step 3. Place the book on the black square panel. The screen will display the checkout item and due date. Step 4. To end the transaction, tap on the End green button. Congratulations! The item is now issued to your account. A confirmation receipt will also be sent to your ZU email. Now, I will show you how to return books. Step 1. On the self-check return screen, tap on OK. Step 2. Place books you wish to return on the black square panel. Make sure all the returned items are reflected on the screen. Step 3. To end the transaction, tap on the End green button. Step 4. Drop items on the return box under the self-service check machine. Congratulations! The following items are now returned. You will receive a check-in email notification shortly. Finally, I will show you how to renew overdue items. Step 1. On the self-check machine, under the loan screen, tap on OK. Step 2. Scan your ZU ID on the barcode scanner. Make sure the barcode is right under the red line, and you will hear a beeping sound. Step 3. Tap on the Renew yellow button. On the screen, you can view the list of all borrowed items. Select the items you would like to renew and then press the green button. Congratulations! The following items are now renewed. If you face any issues, please visit the circulation desk for assistance. Thank you for watching.